All right, good afternoon. And we're going to do part two of the lab today. I'm going to work through, show you guys the first couple trials in part two, and then you're going to do the last two trials, 3 and 4, plus the questions to 2, 3, and 4. So right now we're going to click on the simulation, the bending of light. We're going to go from the intro to where it says more tools and open that. Okay, now most of you guys might have your cursor on red. You can change it to whatever color you want. I'm going to use green. I like green. So I'm also going to take this orange thing out that says speed. All right. And what we're going to do this part, we're going to see if the medium, okay, and the medium, just to refer to what this is, can be the air. It could, in this case, be the glass or the water. It's the substance or the material which a light wave travels through, or any wave for that matter. But we're dealing with light right now. So once we have this set up here, we press a button and it turns the laser on. We can click on wave, and then you can see the wave as it goes from one substance to the next, from air to the water. So we're going to go to the next page, and we're going to choose the material to be air. So the whole thing is air. Now we're going to take the speed cursor and we're going to put it in there, and see how it says 1C. We're going to take that 1C here and then place this in that space there. So to find the speed of light, take your answer and multiply this 1 times 3 times 10 to the 8th, which is a very, very large number. So this is going to be the speed of light is equal to 1 times 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Now 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second, when you put it in your calculator, it's going to be 1 times 3 followed by 8 zeros. All right, so you get an answer of 300 million meters per second. And that's how fast light travels in air. Now, also here it says the wavelength of green light is 500. So we're going to put 500 nanometers here, or just 500. And then the color is green. So if you pick a different color, put whatever wavelength you choose. And then we're going to use the wave speed equation. So this would be the wavelength here to figure out the frequency. So this is going to be V equals lambda times frequency. Solve for, let's substitute the numbers in. 300 million is equal to 500 times the frequency. Divide both sides by 500. And when you divide both sides by 500, you get the frequency to be 600,000 hertz. So that would be the frequency of green light. Okay, this is going to be important to us when we start trial number 2. Okay, so when we start trial 2, that number, the frequency of green light, you want to put right at letter C to begin.